Hello, and welcome to Minute Mastery. Getting organized like a pro takes some effort and consistency. But it is definitely achievable with the right mindset and strategies. Here are the top 10 steps that can help you to be more organized. Step 1. Declutter your space. The first step to getting organized is to declutter your space. This means getting rid of anything that you no longer need or use. Take some time to go through your belongings. Donate or sell items that are in good condition. And dispose of anything that's no longer useful. Step 2. Create a to-do list. This is a great way to stay on top of tasks and ensure that you're not forgetting anything important. Write down everything you need to do, and prioritize tasks according to their importance. Step 3. Use a planner or calendar. A planner or calendar can be a game changer when it comes to organization. Use it to schedule appointments, deadlines, and important dates. This will help you stay on top of things and avoid last-minute rushes. Step 4. Develop a filing system. If you have a lot of paperwork, it's essential to develop a filing system. Keep important documents organized and easily accessible. Use file folders or a filing cabinet to store paperwork, and label everything clearly. Step 5. Organize your digital files. In today's digital age, it's just as important to organize your digital files as it is to organize physical items. Create folders on your computer or cloud storage, and label everything clearly. This will save you time and frustration in the long run. Step 6. Set goals. Setting goals is an excellent way to stay focused and motivated. Break down big goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. And set deadlines for each one. Step 7. Establish routines. Establishing routines is key to maintaining an organized life. Develop a morning routine, evening routine, and a routine for your workday. This will help you stay on track and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Step 8. Review and adjust your systems. It's essential to review and adjust your systems regularly. This means taking a step back and evaluating what's working and what's not. Don't be afraid to make changes as needed. Step 9. Don't procrastinate. Procrastination is the enemy of organization. If you find yourself putting off tasks, again try breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will help you tackle them one step at a time. Step 10. Prioritize self-care. Last but not least, prioritize self-care. Taking care of yourself is essential to maintaining an organized life. Make time for exercise, healthy eating, and relaxation. So, there you have it, 10 steps for an organized life. We hope that these strategies will help you stay on top of things and lead a more productive life. Remember, organization is not about perfection. It's about efficiency, reducing stress and clutter, and saving time and money. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.